how to make payment or how to subscribe for this payment. So now, after you get an account and account being verified, this is what you need to do. Just come to tax. When you come to tax, there's click on this upgrade your plan and get unlimited tax. So it said when you pay the money, you get unlimited tax every day. You get affiliate marketing, then you earn 50% of each referral you get. So let's assume the person you refer also pay the tax. You also get 50% of the person's money, and also anytime a person want to gain money in performing tax, you're also going to get 50% of the amount that person gets. So this is what you do. Click on payment. So now you click on payment, and then you can see that I'll just recommend everybody to start with the 25 series, so that if you have money, then going for the bigger one, that one you will be gaining a lot. But if you have money, I'll just encourage you to go in for the 25 series. And out of the 25 series, if you're very hard worker, you are very good in performing your tasks and completing your tasks, you'll be getting the 100 series at the end of that month. Then use it to upgrade yourself. So now go in, set payments. This is what you're going to do. So pay 25 series. Which way do you want to pay it? So okay, you tap your number. So 024, that's my number I want to use to do the payment, MTN. Then you confirm. So here's it. So this is how you pay. So you just authorize. I've done it, so I don't want to do it. So after authorizing, after making your payments, you are done. So when you come back, just refresh your app, and the tax are going to be unlimited. So thank you for watching this video. I will put in my link under this video if you want to join my WhatsApp group to learn how to earn money online for free. It is there, and the link to download this app also will also be there. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button, the bell button, and like this video. Also comment about this. This app is very cool. That's what I can say. Very cool and very nice. I've gained a lot from this app, so you also need to get something from it.